guys? It is Saturday, and we got here to St. George a couple hours ago. I was waiting for it to cool down before I ventured outside. It was 102 when we showed up. It's 93 now. So we've been looking into things to do tomorrow, and we haven't decided yet. We ordered DoorDash for dinner tonight because we were feeling lazy, and we're near town now. So, but hopefully we can go down to the river or something, cool off tomorrow. All right, it's Monday, the 4th of July, and we are finally venturing out into the heat to try to find something fun to do. We're heading to a trail right now. We're gonna see if it's hot over there or if we're just gonna cruise around and take pictures. Got the doggos with us. Doggos! Doggos! And the beautiful wife. We started up this hiking trail with the dogs, and dogs aren't allowed. And then Lily poops 3 feet into the trail.
Girls, more water. Nope.
Well, we got the dog carrier out. And I've got the Poppy girl. Got the Poppy. Poppy is literally dying. It's the worst. But we came here to Fizz. We're getting some custom sodas. I actually got a Monster mixed with all kinds of yummies. So we'll see how good this is. What's up, guys? It's Tuesday. Just made it out to Sand Hollow State Park, I believe. And we got a nice big lake here behind us we're gonna go swimming in. Got the dogs with their life vests again. Should be a good time. Poppy likes the water, Lily doesn't. You can stay right there, Lil. You're out of the water, you're fine. Poppy likes it though. Oh, Poppy. Poppy likes the water. Poppy loves the water, Lily does not love the water. Ding dong.
Charging it, Chad. They're both charging it for you.
Swimming dogs! Hey, the swimming Poppy! I got you, baby. Dad's got you. Dad's got you. You swam out to Dad. You swam out. It's water. It's so warm. I think the ranger's office said that the water was 70 degrees. It's freaking nice. It's like a heated pool, basically. Super nice weather for it. It's about 95 out right now. Water temp is 70. Hell yeah, that sounds sweet. We came back to Fizz sodas again to get some more because it was so delicious.
Yep.
All right, we came to Snow Canyon State Park. State Park, I think.
Yes.
I think it's State Park. And now we are driving around. We're gonna see what we find in here. We found the lava tubes, so we're going to check that out. I'm kind of excited about that.
And Sam's in flip-flops.
And Sam is in flip-flops for the hike, so hopefully it's not far. How's Lily doing?
Good. How's Poppy?
She's doing good. She's exploring. Well, we found the lava tubes. I'm gonna check them out now. Yeah, I don't think I'm going down there. Alright, well, we found the lava tubes. I explored a little bit. It doesn't look like there's an easy way to get into them, so I'm not going to bother. There's this hole over here, and that one is like crawl on your belly kind of shit, and I'm wearing a nice shirt, so I don't want to do that. The other one is like legit rock climbing. It's a little dangerous for people that don't know what they're doing, I think. So, but this was cool. How we doing, Pop? How we doing? Got the dog carrier out for Poppy again. She fat dog.